Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to create this very fun, sultry, smoky eye look using very affordable makeup products. So if you love budget-friendly makeup and easy techniques, then you should definitely keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. I would really love it if you could take a moment to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Now, without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, I do have a little bit of pigmentation and some scars on my face, but for today's look we are completely going to ignore the face because I'm not doing any base makeup. We are only going to focus on creating a smoky eye look. Let me quickly show you the products I'm using. I have these two eyeshadow palettes from Swiss Beauty, a concealer from Nykaa which I'll be using as my eye base, two mascaras to add volume and length to the lashes, a few eye brushes, and of course a beauty blender. To start off, I am applying concealer all over my eyelids, just the way you can see in the video. This tip is extremely important, especially when you are doing a smoky eye or using darker shades, because concealer helps cancel out any discoloration on the eyelids and gives you a smooth, even base. It also helps the eyeshadows appear more pigmented and long-lasting. Once the concealer is applied, I am blending it out properly using a beauty blender, making sure there are no creases and everything looks nice and smooth. After that, I am taking the lightest shade from the eyeshadow palette and applying it all over my eyelids. This step helps set the concealer and creates a clean canvas for the rest of the eyeshadows. It also gives a slightly blurred and soft effect to the eyes. Next, I am going in with a light brown shade from the same palette and applying it starting from the outer corner of my eyes and slowly blending it towards the inner corner. While doing this, I am using gentle circular motions with my brush. This technique helps the eyeshadow blend seamlessly and prevents any harsh lines, which is very important for a smoky eye look. At this point, this is how the eyes are looking. Now comes the hero product of this entire video, which is the René Midnight Kohl Kajal. I am applying the kajal close to my upper lash line. You don't need to be very precise here. Actually, the messier it looks, the better, because we are going to smudge it out. For smudging, I am going to use a slightly firm brush, and I have spread the brush with a little bit of water, which makes the kajal easier to blend and also intensifies the color. You do need to work a little quickly here before the kajal sets. As you can see, I am gently smudging the kajal upwards and outwards, creating that soft smoky effect. I am repeating the exact same steps on the other eye as well. And this is how my eyes are looking. Soft, smoky, and very easy to recreate. Now I am going with a deeper shade brown and applying it just above the kajal on my upper eyelid. I am slowly blending it upwards to create a soft gradient effect so all the colors look evenly distributed and well blended. Next, I am taking a very dark brown shade from the palette and applying it to the outer corner of my eye to add more depth and dimension. Moving on to the lower lash line, I am applying kajal on the waterline and slightly dragging it outward. Using a slightly denser brush, I'll add a bit of product and gently smudge it, recreating the same smoky effect that we did on the upper eyelid. As you can see, the kajal is nicely blended and I have repeated the same steps on the other eye as well. Now I'm going back with the light brown shade used earlier and applying it along the lower lash line to create a gradient that aligns with the upper eyelid, making the look more seamless. For extra intensity, I'm going to apply black eyeshadow over the smudged kajal. Now this step is totally optional, you can skip it if you prefer a softer look. I am blending everything with a fluffy brush so the colors melt into each other smoothly. Now using a smaller brush, I am now creating a soft wing connecting the lower and upper lash line to give the eyes a more dramatic finish. To add a subtle touch of glam, I am taking a glitter shade on my right ring finger and lightly dabbing it onto the eyelids. I don't want too much glitter, just enough to enhance the smoky eyes. I'll also use the same shade to highlight the inner corners, making the eyes look brighter and more open. I'm quickly brushing through my brows with a spoolie. I'm not going to fill them in today because it's quite late and I'll be heading to bed after filming, so please bear with me. For the face, I'm keeping it minimal with just a tint and blush to look put together. Now for mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Bubble Mascara. It gives great lift and really complements this eye look. Personally, I love how the eyes have turned out. Let me know what you think in the comment. For lips, I'm outlining only the center of my lips with a brown lip liner and blending it outward. Then applying my favorite Maybelline Vinyl Ink lipstick in a deep brown shade. Since the eyes are bold, I wanted to keep the lips neutral, and this is the final look. I absolutely loved how it turned out. If you're attending a shadi function, festive event, or any special occasion, you can definitely recreate this look. Let me know in the comments if you liked it, and you can check the description box for all the products which I have used in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, subscribe, and don't forget to drop a black heart in the comments if you love this look. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.